Hello, everyone! Today, my friend Marcia is at her friend's house. She says it is beautiful. I want to see this house. Here we are. Marcia, I am in the kitchen. It is a beautiful kitchen.
It is beautiful. We cook in the kitchen.
I eat in the kitchen.
We relax in the living room.
I relax in the living room. Marcia, let's go upstairs.
Anna, where are you?
Marcia, I am in the bathroom. I wash in the bathroom.
I am in the bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom.
I sleep in the bedroom.
I am in the living room. I relax in the living room.
Now you try it. We sleep in the bedroom.
I wash in the bathroom.
Now you try it. Say where you are.
To ask a question, use a rising tone of voice.
Anna, where are you?
A statement with a rising tone becomes a question. You are in the kitchen?
Now you try it. Say, you are in the living room with rising intonation.
Questions can change word order.
Are you in the kitchen?
Now you try it. Make your voice go up at the end.
We usually use a preposition, like in, with a location. Some locations, like upstairs, have no preposition.
I am upstairs.
I am in the kitchen. Now you try it.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and I live in Washington, D.C. Every day, I learn more about this great city. People in Washington like to work out. Oh, hi Pete, how's it going?
Hi, Anna. It's going great. How's it going with you?
Things are awesome. Pete, I want to work out. Where is the gym?
The gym is across from the lounge. It's next to the mailroom. Go that way.
Thanks, Pete.
No, Anna, not that way. Go that way.
Oh, Pete, this is not the gym.
That's right, Anna. This is the mailroom.
The gym is across from what?
The gym is across from the lounge.
Across from the lounge. Right. Thanks. Pete, This is not the gym.
The gym is across from the lounge. It is behind the lobby.
Right. See you.
See you, Anna.
See you.
See you, Anna.
This is not the gym. This is a parking garage. Hello? Pete? Pete? Pete?
I want to work out too. Join me.
I'm good.
Listen.
Where is the gym?
The gym is across from the lounge.
Speak. Listen.
The mailroom is next to what?
Answer.
The mailroom is next to the gym. Across from.
Where is the gym?
The gym is across from the lounge.
Now you try it. Where is the gym?
The gym is across from the lounge.
Next to. Where is the gym?
It's next to the mailroom.
Now, ask about the mailroom.
Where is the mailroom?
It's next to the gym.
Today I start my new job. Awesome! I meet my new boss and my coworkers. I am excited, but nervous. Here I go.
Come in. Well, Anna, welcome.
Thank you.
I am your boss, Katie Weaver, but please call me Katie.
Thank you, Ms. Weaver.
Just Katie.
Sure thing, Ms. Weaver.
Okay then, are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
So sorry, but I am busy. Please meet your coworkers, but remember, they are busy working.
Sure. Thanks, Ms. Weaver. Hi there. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Anne.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing?
I'm writing.
You are writing. You are writing a lot. Oh dear.
No,
I'm sorry.
that's okay.
I'm
that's
sorry.
okay. Really. Please stop. Please.
Sorry.
and people all around the world are waiting to hear news about the next president.
Jonathan, hi. Remember me? I live in your building.
Oh, hi, Anna.
What are you doing?
I am doing my show.
Oh, sorry. Are you recording?
Yes, and now I have to record again.
Sorry. Have a good show.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Anna. Hi. What are you doing?
I am bothering people, Ms. Weaver.
Let's go to my office and talk.
I like to talk with you, Ms. Weaver.
It's Katie.
Right. Thanks, Ms. Weaver.
What are you doing?
I am writing.
Are you recording?
Are you reading the news? In the present continuous tense, verbs end in ing. In careful speech, Americans pronounce the G at the end of the verb. However, in fast speech, many Americans do not pronounce the G at the end of the verb. The result sounds like this:
Writin',
doin'.
readin'.